Hi, I'm Marley from thepartygoddess.com, and today we're going to talk about how to make simple birthday party favors. Gotta love this one. Okay, the key thing when you're making favors for a birthday party is to make sure that you've got some kind of really fun container. In this case, what we did was we kind of came up with like a little lunchbox or little traveling pouch, which is really cool. The great thing about it too is that you can reuse it later. So what we've done is let's pretend that you're doing some sort of spa party. You can do this for little girls, you can do it for older girls, you can do it for women. No problem. I would love to get this, in fact. Okay, so what we did was we just stuffed it full of all kinds of simple treats. Now this is perfect, again, if it's for a little girl. We've got little lipstick, we've got nail polish, a little brush that goes with it. This alone could be the gift. Then we've got other little dress-up stuff. You can see we've got the things for to do your little manicure, pedicure. We've got little hair balls to put the hair up. We've even got a super fun highlighter pen. And then, of course, what party is complete without a little marabou? So, then at the bottom, we just put in a little tiny bag, like a little tiny handbag. Now remember, the cool thing about this is that you could just have the handbag be the favor. You could just have the handbag contain, you know, the little parts for the manicure, pedicure. Completely use your imagination. And then the great thing is that we stuff this all back in and it looks really cute, and the stuffing and everything does double duty. So I'm Marley Major from thepartygoddess.com, and this is how you create your own fabulous birthday party favor.